Now we will give the detailing of this. So go to CSI detail and create new file, new detailing, and select this project. So all the data will be extracted from that project. We are waiting for it. So it is catching the data from our main software or main file where we are designed our data. So have a look at it. So it is open the eTabs in our systems and start extracting the files and values. Okay, it will get some time, so we are waiting for it. This is our model and our designing part. It's just a basic of G+1. Okay, here it analyze we don't have peers and we don't have spindles. So click on OK. So all the data we have exclude here. Now click on slab. So we have see that it is story 1, strip number 1, CN1. Okay, location at 0 mm. It's a बिल्कुल just beginning. Okay, हमारा it is our combo, design combos, and this is top areas, the bottom combos, bottom areas, and so on. This is the all over data of our building design of our slabs. So for if there is multi-story building, then the story will be changed from there. Now click on OK. And now we will check for beams. Here it is a beam number 10, beam number 11, 7, 12, and so on. This is the all type of beam, and they have their unique names. So all the AST, area of top bar, area of bottom bar. So all the data, all design common sharing, and all are given here. So now click on OK. Now we will check for columns. So similarly as slab and beams, also the columns areas are there. So it is fail and share and their position, location, and the combination, load combination, area, and share, load combination, and major areas of share. Now click on OK. First we will set the unit at matrix. Okay, our length in rebar length is meter, slab area in square meter, concrete volume in cubic millimeter, rebar weight is kilogram. So we load change it. So we select the preference. So we will use IS 456 for this designing. Now concreting detail. Concreting detail, we have provides all the add number of story and walls. It is our concreting detail. So this is our concrete structure, so we will not go for detailing of steel. So similarly there are also some things like as concrete. Now display concrete display preference, as I will told you, click on include top and bottom indication. Okay, similarly, and use of prefix in rebar, it is totally closed. Similarly here it is closed totally, so we can easily, here this is like that, we will delete it and close like that. Select, click and close like that. Similarly here, so use prefix for rebar, so we don't use that. It is easily to understand for a students or any workman. Okay, now click on OK. Now steel, we don't have the steel, so we don't use it, so just cancels. Rebar rules. Okay, in our slab. Smallest size 10, large is 25, number of bars 2, axis area 15%, okay, spinning 15%, maximum spacing bar 450, smallest bar length 750 mm. Now we will increase or decrease these values. Okay, now preferred for rebar sizes, it is column strips top, so we will decrease to 16, or for slab it's 12, column strips bottom it's 12, we will change it, middle strip top 12 and bottom strip top 12. Extension curtailment rule, also we see the curtailment rule, so all this 90, in bottom bar one is straight and one is curtail at 90 degree. Column with drop panel, similarly same middle at middle rule 0.22%, and at the middle with drop we will select span center to center, so it will show the data from center to center. Okay, now just like beam, here we have the data. The smallest bar size for the beam is 12, so we will select it at 12, we will select it at 12. Okay, now we will select as 12. Okay, at A zone B at 10 degree it's okay. Okay, similarly curtailment rule, similarly as we have given discussed here, you will see the, it is the A part, it is B. If we will say about A, its A means upper part, B that is bottom part, in the middle part, E this part, H the height of this, G, F, B. So here we can see the all the other things easily. Okay, longitudinal rebar in shape, that is our rebar is longitudinal, so we don't need to change the anything else. So click on okay. Okay, on seismic maybe we will use 12, because in slab we will use mostly maximum 12 or 16 mm dia bar, so I will prefer 12 mm dia bar for all the same curtailment rule. No changes, was only center to center. Okay, longitudinal walls no change. Similarly on columns, non-seismic smallest I will prefer 16. Okay, and zone A only, and seismic I will prefer 16. Okay, more option, no percentage bars less 15, no height, no cushioning, nothing else required. Click on okay, non-seismic. Similarly, okay, so it is not used for it. Okay, rebar sizes I will delete 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. Okay, and from 22 onwards. Okay, now default drawing, so we will select all the drawing sheets. Okay, drawing sheet setup, A0 size, we will use A0 size of isometric. Okay, now click on OK. So it will start preparing the details of drawings. Okay, now our detailing of drawing is now prepared. So now first we have to discuss the standard S01. It is sheet number 1, its cover sheet. S01 list of drawings, S02 standard details, S03 slab framing plans 1 out of second, S04 second framing plan, S05 slab reinforcement plans, S05 to F010 are all the slab reinforcement plan, S11 section, S concrete tables and beam, concrete beam and elevation and section plans at 13 and 14, and 15 concrete column framing plan, concrete shooting table and concrete column and elevation. These are the total plan. Okay, now drawings general notes. It's in general notes we have concreting and cover details, which is used for designing purpose or for detailing. Top cover, bottom cover, strength of the cover, and all. Okay, it is our typical size. All the data is given in this. Here we can see the strip and the spacing, all the things, height of the beam, what is the height of here and here, all the data related to beam, what type of bars should be provided, how to provide, all the things are here for a typical beam. If there is nothing so we will use typical plan. It is a section, beam section. Okay, and it is the column typical elevation plan for the column. Here we can see the distance S2 height, S2 is 3 means height of the column. Okay, now column section, this column section, it's column curtailment strips for footings or for slab. Okay, now it's the bill of quantity for floor slab. If we are talking about slab, so it is the quantity of slab, which is in which total area is 576 square meter and total volume 72, and this is all the averages which will go. Now rebars the quantity, it's 10 and 12 is used for the rebars. Now it's our own story 1. It is our framing plan for story 1. Here we can see that all the beams and columns are provided here. Beam detail, column detail, all are there. So it is only for just beam flooring plan. Okay. Now it is the bars plan for slab. Okay, it is top slab, top bar, it is bottom bar. B1 means bottom one, T1 and top one. Here we can see one more thing. Here E, F and AB. So when we see the frame, typical plan, okay, so we will see the F, E, G, E and other H, E, G. This is the bottom bars, represent the bottom bars, and A, B, C, D represent the top bar at different section. Okay, now as we see, it is top bar, it is top and bottom both the bars. Okay, it is top bars. Here we can see it is bottom bar, and yeah, this is the main plan, how the bars are used and where alternate or regular that is used. Top bars again, and it is bottom bar. Okay, now we will see how they used 38 bars of 12 dia, 38 of 12B. It is used in slab in one single row of 125 mm thickness, and 14 in bottom. It's 14 bars of 12 and 15 bars of this. So this can be used. Here some changes in the bars at upper and lower both. Okay, this is section story. Okay, now we will see that somewhere it is going to 17%, provides 13% for 9, it is over. Now it is moderate, so this is a little bit over or in rest. Okay, now reinforcement profile. Okay, so how much reinforcement is used? This is the profile layer. Billing of material, slab area again and same. Rebar quantities 10 and 12. वही as it is. Okay, now we will see the rebar case of slab. This is our rebar case for slab, which is used for designing purpose. Okay, and now come for beam, concrete beam. So first of all, framing plan. So this is the concrete beam framing plan as we see earlier. Now first drill table, concrete rebar table. So this is the type of beam: B1, B2, B3, and B4. This part above it, whatever we, their length is also given here, their width, their depth, and what is longitudinal bar. It is for seismic and strip types. What is the strip type of used? Similarly, bill of materials and the total bars. Similarly, at story 1, it is elevation properly. Show the elevation properly with the lab distance at different sections. Here we can see a different section. Now it is the providation of reinforcement, and this is the very material, rebar quantities, and it is our cage. Okay, it is our cage. Here we can see that in this case only 2 bars upper and 2 bars down, and it is totally continue, and it is the strips. It's totally continue up to the end. In the end, only 2 bars up and 2 bars down are there. Similarly with others, others have same rebar case, so there is no changes. We will decrease the reinforcement. Similarly, now we will go for column. So it's a column framing plan. So we will see only column. All have same sizes, so same as CC1. Now we have to schedule the table, concrete volume. This is now the dimension of column 230 by 450. And 16 die of bar, 12 bar is used, and 10 die of center type zone A, zone B or zone C में in zone A, zone B, zone C we have the difference in spacing of the bar. Bills of material, this is the bills of material of that is used, and the bar quantities are this. Now we will have the elevation view, and this is the billing of quantities, and this is the column case. Column is look like that. Okay, and now we will go for drawing sheet. First drawing sheet is cover sheet, so we will delete it because it is not in our use. A list of drawings and external detail. We will move list of drawings as we seen earlier, and external detail that is we see earlier. So list of drawings should also deleted. Now standard details, it is our framing plans for both the, and it is our reinforcement plans, and this slab section, of the parts. Okay, it is concrete tables and scheduling. Okay, now we'll move it here and move it here. So we will save some pages. So now our for complete designing or dealing of the project is now completed. Now we will export it. Click on it and write export and select all sheet and start exporting. So this will start exporting to the website where we want to see the details in AutoCAD. Okay, this is done. Now we will save the project G+1. Now save and it's close it. So we don't close, we will use. Okay, we will see the drawing sheets on documents. Okay, and now starting the view of drawing sheet. So we have the AutoCAD that has take some time for starting, and in this duration after that we will see the all the details. So we are waiting for starting our AutoCAD. So click here to view all the data available in the drawings. See the all the data. Here this is the data is written. This is the length with the width of column, beam or slab. This is A or B indicate or BCD, that's the top and bottom. This is the like that all the other drawings should be open. Okay, now it's column framing plans. It is also a framing plan is drawn. Similarly it's concrete beam. So we will see completely the concrete beams and their bars. Okay, so now our project is now complete for design and